music, Miss Medina ay matured, ano, nung narinig ko yung boses and kasi may is your big big, no? No, response actually, no? And this is hard to someone to and it's all about of course I think it will be bass, no? Kasi there are first the whole sound is six strings in the guitar, right? Okay. I do not know how they are called, but let's have the one string first, no? So if you strum that, this one is the whole. Okay. Okay. So in harmony, this is a bit of one one. Okay, and in sound also. And then if you are actually okay, this is the string. So the same string, right? For instance, without having to actually touch the string in the middle, this sound is what is the sound? No, is it high pitch or not high pitch? And then if you put your finger in the middle of the string, the same string, same kind of string, okay, it will be one half of the string. Ano kaya ang sound? No, what is the sound that can be created? Okay, will it be the same as the whole string untouched? Okay, it will vary, of course, no? Okay, it will give you a pitch now, no? I think it's the same sound like it's do, di ba? Tapos parang mag-octave ka higher and then another octave. I do not know, no? The technicality about this. And then if you have them, I do not know now, no? If you have them in three parts, so this one now is the 1/3, 2/3, and then 3/3. So notice, right? There is but a sequence in this guitar, no? Ito po ay nodes. Ito po tawag dito ay nodes, no? Okay, do not know mape. You of course you discuss this. This is a node of vibrating string or harmonics. Okay, and then 1/4 it says there, and then 1/5. Okay, that's it. Huwag na tayo dyan. Okay. And then this is also an harmony, no? Okay, so if you see this is a full note, they say, right? Like when you sing it, you do not cut it. And then there's a half, oh, those are whole note. I do not know this one. Okay, sige. May half note, merong quarter note, merong, okay, kung ano-ano man. Okay, so let's go now to our lesson. Okay, but before we go to the lesson, I jump into the harmonic. Why? Because it is really related to the arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, a lot of you actually, tinan ko nga. Okay. 143. Parang nakita ko si Anna Faith, who else? John Rain, and the rest. Ito yun. Gusto kong pakita sa inyo. Yes. Hindi pala si John Rain. Okay, it's Anna Faith, it's Condino. I'll give you this score, no? Yuka, Ozzy, Eliana, okay, Aliyah, okay, who else? Okay, because they studied in advance, no? My Genio lessons, okay? Okay, so they value their money. They're using their Genio wisely, actually. Okay, let's go there. You have to have this, no? So in arithmetic, we will not review that tomorrow anymore. In arithmetic, I say that you use this, no? If it's three terms, five terms, odd terms, the number of terms, now you can use x plus y. X and y are the extremes. You add them together, you can have the middle term, right? Okay, paulit-ulit na lang tayo. And then, of course, the arithmetic, I added this now. Why? Because you just have to actually determine the difference. And then add the difference to the present or the preceding pala, no? Preceding term. And then you can create the next term, which is an. Remember that, no? But how do you actually solve for your D? Okay, like we have the system of equations, right? Determining first or eliminating first the A1, which is the first term, and then solve for D. And then D will actually help you to create the next term. No? Arithmetic is all, but terms also, right? Okay, it's all terms. It's creating the terms. Naintindihan? It's like that the arithmetic means that uh, what differentiates it to a term is that there must be terms given, no? For the arithmetic mean, there are terms given, and in between are the means, and you can solve them, no? No matter how uh, they're difficult to be actually solved, you can solve it, no? But for as long as you know your formula, and sometimes it's logic actually, no? It's not logic because your numbers are uh, few. You're dealing with small numbers, I should be, no? Small numbers only. So for this one, you can also use this one, no? Okay, remember that this one is just derived from that. You can have this. So for now, you must know, no? The meaning of those A sub of n, A1, n big letter. That's how many terms, no? The n term, big, and minus 1 times t. Okay, let's go. How is this differentiated to the harmonic? We'll have this. Okay, I'll make it big for you. Okay, so I do have this arithmetic sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are counting numbers, right? And if I have 1 and 5 only, I can have this, no? 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, 2, 3, 4 as my means. And then simply add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're adding them, and you get your series, no? Okay, so wag po tayo malilito, no? Okay, if it's saying get the sum of the first 10 terms, sum it refers to the series, no? You are to add the terms, the 10 terms. Okay, about the mean, no? Three means. Okay, these are the three means. Okay, given first and the fifth term, find the three means, arithmetic means. Okay, okay, and then let's go to the harmonic. So if you see harmonic now, what do you see? Of course, it's presented to you in fractions, rational, and we call it also fractional, no? Okay, by parts. So 1 over 1, 1 over 2, etc. And then if you notice, numerator is the same. Okay, that's the distinction of your harmonic to the sequence. Okay, there is numerator and denominator, and take note, numerator is all the same. Okay, for all terms. And then your denominators, you check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same as arithmetic. Did you get it? Okay. Okay, how you solve your arithmetic sequence for every term missing, or if you want to actually generate each term, you can use the formula, no, of the arithmetic for this harmonic sequence. Why? Because all the denominators here in this sequence of harmonic is based from arithmetic sequence formula. Okay, nakuha. Okay, let's go. So for instance, I wouldn't mind numerators. No, they're all one. And A1 is the first, what do you call this? The first uh, term, okay, of the harmonic. But of course, we say that all the term here, no, here up. These are all the actual terms. When we say what is the fourth term in the harmonic sequence, of course your answer will be one fourth. Hindi po four. Okay, it's not four, but it's one fourth. But in this one, it's just being actually related to your arithmetic sequence. Okay, why? How? We get these terms or generate these terms by this formula also, or this formula. Okay, check this, no? This is your arithmetic sequence formula also. No, the same. Okay. You must have your first term plus n minus 1 over d. Okay, it's the same. This is your proceeding plus the difference. Nakuha. Okay. And then, when you have 1/2 and 1/5, okay, baka bigla tumahimik kayo yun. What is the harmonic means? No? What are the harmonic means of 1/2 and 1/5? Hello? Okay. Since it's fraction already and it will be difficult for you now, right? Because you hate fractions. You cannot simply add 1/2 and 1/2, no? Baka ang sagot niyo 1/2 and 1/2 magiging 1/4, 1/2 and 2/3, hindi niyo pa alam ang sagot, no? Nahihilo na kayo sa fraction kasi nga you hate talaga fractions, no? We hate fractions. Admit it, no? Okay, and fractions can't be simplified by you, no? In the fastest way you could. Parang ganun kayo eh. I hate na hate niyo siya. Okay. And then, what else? So you're looking for, of course, the 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4 there. How do you do it? Of course, find the numerators first, no? Then just copy the denominators rather, no? In the arithmetic sequence way, and then all the numerators must be the same. Ganun lang po siya, no? Okay, naintindihan? And then, for arithmetic series, or harmonic series rather now, okay, it will not be patterned in your arithmetic series. Why? Okay, listen to this. If I'm going to actually add my arithmetic terms, these are my terms, right? I'm going to add this, it will give me 15, right? 5, 5, 15. That is my arithmetic series for these 5 terms, counting number. Okay, it's 15. How about this, no? It will not be like its pattern to arithmetic series. Hindi po siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Denominators will be added. It's 15 and then you say, it's 1 over 15, sir. Hello. Okay, hindi po ganun, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag in-add nyo yung 1/2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 8, and when you add them all, it will not give you 1 over 15. Okay? It's not. Okay, remember that. There must be LCM, least common multiple. We say it because it's denominator, it is least common denominator. But in fact, it's least common multiple, LCM. Did you get it? Okay? Naintindihan? Baka hindi. Okay, it's 1:53. So I'm also valuing my time. I'm respecting my time. Okay, naintindihan ba sinasabi ni Sir Romel? Okay, so hindi po yan. I-add nyo po yan. Paano tayo mag-add? Okay, let's go. You go to the textbook, get your textbook class, no? And then I want you to be actually holding your textbook and hindi calculator. We're not using kasi calculator. You use your calculator when you had your trigonometry, no? Trigonometry. For us, we will be using the calculator in your grade 10. What lesson? See, I'll determine that. I want you to be actually sending me, no, PM, textbook. This is your face and then, okay, selfie. Send it to me, no? Okay, your textbook kasi it's worth 800 plus. should be giving you points there, no? Yung mga wala, pwede pa kayong bumili. Intindihan. Okay. And then, remind me, okay? Remind me. I said practice, practice, and practice. I will give you the skill builders, the math skills milestones, key answers. No? Okay, I will screenshot or snip tool them and send them to you. No? And then you go practice, and those are just the key answers, final answers, and it's up to you to be actually doing the solutions. Kuha? Okay, that's part of your review. Okay, where am I now? Let's go to the textbook. Textbook for this one, okay? In the introduction, if you are to create a cubic box, there is harmony in it, no? Because if there is no harmony in it, of course, you cannot create this, no, beautifully, okay, in equal parts, okay? That must be cube. Parang di ko naman nakikita ang cube ito, no? Parang mas mataas yung height, okay? It's like that the height is longer than the width, no? The one that is lying on the floor. This one. Okay. So it says there that there you have 6, 8, and 12. What are those? Okay, 6 faces, you count the faces there. And the vertices, it's 8, and then 12 edges. Okay. You have the cubic box. But if you actually less faces, no? Okay, it's 5, and then it's 8 vertices, and then 11 edges. So what kind of box do you think you're creating? So in this sample, it really is, no, harmony. There is harmony. It's 6, 8, 12. But I don't see it as it can be presented in the fractional way or rational way, no? Hindi ko siya magets. Okay, I do not know the curriculum introduction in here. Okay, so this is your harmonic. Okay, let's go here. So this is easy. 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8. Why is this harmonic? Okay, check. Denominators have increasing sequence. It's 2, 4, 6, 8 increasing by 2. It's 2, right? It's increasing. So 2, 4, 6, 8 is arithmetic sequence. So I can say that this one is really a harmonic sequence. But what is 10 term? Okay, the solution is there for you to actually decipher, no? So A10, no? Use this A1 plus N, sorry, N minus, this is N minus 1, ha? Okay, bakit? Sir, why is it 9? Baka by this time, up until now, 9 can't be figured by you. It's N minus 1, remember? Okay, because A subscript N, A subscript 10, small n, it's 10. They jive, right? 10 minus 1, it's 9. So therefore, my 10th will be not the 20 yet. Actually, the 20, but it's 1/20. See? That's the difference. So your answer, it's not 20, though you're applying the arithmetic sequence rule, no? In generating the next term. And for that case, it's the 10th term. Naintindihan. Oh, ganyan lang siya kadali. That's how easy it is. Did you get me? Okay, don't be deceived. Next. Okay, we jump. Example number 2 is masalimuot. No, I will not give that. Okay? I was analyzing that. There's something wrong. No? I don't want to actually buy it. That it is harmonic. I know I do not. No? Okay, sige. I want your... Sige, kung sino man yung matatalino dyan. Sila John Ray, sila Anna Faith, sino pa ba? Basta kung sino man kayo, no? Analyze nyo lang siya. Give siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes, no? Then you tell me. if that example number 2 is really harmonic or not harmonic. Okay? Because I surrendered. I do not like the sample. Okay, let's go now here. 1/4 and 1/22, no? 1/20 sec. Paano mo sabihin 1/4 to 1/22? Okay, very good. 1/22. 5 harmonic means. So it means to say you have to count. 1/4 is the first term and 1/22 is your seventh. Oh, because inserting 5 harmonic means, no, in the middle. So it is odd, no? 7 terms. Okay. 4 plus 22, you can have it, no? 26 divided by 2. It's 13. So I have the middle. It's 1/13. And can use that, no? If you do not want to use that, kasi sabi nyo mahirap. Sa akin, sobrang dali lang. Again, since this is first term, seventh term, I have 5 terms in the middle. So it means to say from first term to seventh terms, the 7 is odd. Okay? So I can say to myself that I can add 4 and 22 and then it will be divided by 2. 4 plus 22, it's 26 divided by 2. Baka na naman, hindi na naman kayo nakikinig, no? Hindi na naman ang process. So it's 13. 26 divided by 2, it's 13. That is why, if you see, this is the middle mean, no? Harmonic mean that you are getting. Did you get it? And then 7, because this is your first, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then 6, 7. I'm sorry, no. This is not the first. This is the second, no? These are the 5 pins actually now. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1/4 is the first. And then 1/22 is the 7. Okay? Try to write it. Okay. Don't make your life difficult. Because if you use this, it's okay, no? Okay, it's okay again. What's wrong with you is you're not even trying to actually have this, no? Parang hirap na hirap kayo. Ano ba yung 7? Ang hirap. That's the 7th term. A7. And then 4th term, and then 6. That is the n minus 1, no? Because of 7 minus 1. Okay, sige. Try to have that. Okay, let's go. 202. I'll explain this in 8 minutes. So that is easy. Find the sum of the terms of the harmonic sequence now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Why it became 120? And sir, numerator is 137, no? Okay, we're simply adding it, and yet the sum is complicated. How do you do that? This. Okay, let's go. Tingnan natin. Ay, hindi ako nakapag-create. Okay, mali. Okay, sige. That's okay. Okay, it will be just easy, no? Okay, so we're adding this, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Tama ba? 8 lang po. Okay, 1, 4, 1 half 1. Okay, very good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I'll present that to you. Madali lang naman yun. Okay, so again, I'm copying this, no? Right. Okay, we can say that this is harmonic sequence. Why? Same numerator and then increasing by 2. But we're going to be actually solving the harmonic series. We add them, no? Okay, we add them. How do we add them? So first, for you it's LCD, but actually it's LCM, no? This common multiple. And then we do it by division method. Okay? Okay. So we go back again. How is this division method being done, no? So get your 6, 8, 10, no? Get your denominator. Okay? So ayan na yung denominator mo. And then, this denominator, check nyo class ha. Okay, lahat yan. Okay, sir, naging puti na po. Talagang intention ko maging puti. Okay, sige. All of those denominators, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you're going to divide them by 2, no? Remember that 2, not 1, no? It's the smallest prime number. It's not 1. That's 2, followed by 3. So, once appearing here should be 2 or 3. Okay, let's divide. So, for this one, it's going to be 2 divided by 2, the outside, no? Always try to have 2. Why? Okay, it depends actually, no? If everything is divisible by 2, then divide it by 2, not 3, of course. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, of course, it's 1. And then this one is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, it's 2. Okay, nare-recall niyo pa ba ito? Okay, 205 na. And then, hold on. And then, of course, this one is 6 divided by 2, it's 3. And then 8 divided by 2, it's 4. And then 10 divided by 2, it's 5. Okay, so check. 2 is a prime, 2 is a prime here, and then 3 is what? A prime also now, no? So we need 2 and 3 as primes and even 5 because 5 has no any other factors anymore but except it's 1 and 5, no? So 2, 3, and 5, we need them. Okay, let's go. But 4 is there, no? So this is not a prime yet. So divide it by 2. So I'm going to actually use 2 again here. Okay, this one, just bring it down. 2 is a prime already. 2 is a prime already, right? Dali lang po. So again, okay, I need 2 here because I'm seeing 4 there. 4 is not a prime yet. Although 1, 2, 3, and 5 can be brought down, okay, because they are prime. Look at me. And then 4 is not a prime, so I can divide it by 2. That's why I'm writing 2 there, right? Here. Okay, so 4 divided by 2, it's 2. Okay. Now, what do you see? This one seems to be all prime. And then this one, we all need them, no? This one, and then this one. So again, I'll color that with not yellow. Should be dark. Okay. I'll color them with blue. Okay. So multiply everything now. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it's 16. Right? Okay. And then, it will be multiplied by 15. Okay. It's 240 na raw po. Okay. Okay. So, kailangan pang matrim pala ito. It's not 240, but that is 120, right? Okay, mali. Okay. Mali si Sir Roman. So, this one, sige, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and then that is 5. Okay. So, it means to say that I need 2 here, and then bring this down, and then 2 must be divided by 2. It gives me 1. And then just bring down 3, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 5 should be just brought down, no? Okay. So what do we have now? It is but 8 times 15. See, it's 120. Okay. So 2 here that you see should be divided by 2, no? Again, no? So you must be seeing no 2 here, but it should be here always. There are 2 here, no? But 3 and 5, you can have them there. 3 and 5, except 2. Did you get me? Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, a while ago it's 240. Again, picture this one, no? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Divide everything by 2, this one. And then the product is here. No, I'm sorry, the quotient rather is here. And then divide again, no? Because you're seeing 2 here, must be 1. Ako ha? Okay, and then multiply everything. 2 times 2 times 2, it's 8. Times 3 times 5 will give you 15. Everything. This is 8 times 3 times 5 will actually give you 120. Okay, did you get it? Now, okay, that's division method. Okay, wag madilito. And then, sir, paano po to yung 137? Okay. Of course, you are to divide now, right? Okay, you got 120. So 120 divide it there up, no? Okay, it gives you 60. Okay, and that one is actually once. Okay. Oops, it's not 137. Okay, it's not one. Okay, 137 na. Okay, sige. Sa Excel, madali lang po kasi ako. Okay, so in truth, you can have this 120 as your replacement for this na, no? 11 pa lang, huwag kayo nagmamadali. Suntukin ko kayo, no? Okay, sige. So, ayan sabi ni Sir Romel. Okay, so you can write this now into what? Similar fractions having 120, right? Okay, 120 now. Every 120 is there. And then, take note that if you use 120 here, divide everything. 120 divided by 2, it gives you 60. Okay, so 60 times 1, this is 60. Everything here, no? And then 120 divided by 4, it gives you 30. So 30 times 1, it's just 30. So everything in here, it's but 60. Ay, isa lang, ha? Mali. Sige, bahala kayo pag ito ay mag-appear. Yan siya maintindihan. And then you add this. Okay. In writing, it's easy, ha? Pero in Excel talaga, medyo mahirap. Kung mahihirapan kayo, pero ako kasi talagang okay, dali lang sa akin to. Okay, did you get me? Okay, so where did you get, again, where did you get this ones? 60, 30, 20, 15. 120 divided by 2, it gives you 60 divided times 1. Okay, remember to actually multiply this by 1. Okay, 120 divided by 4 gives you 30 times 1. It's 30 talaga. Okay, and so on and so forth. And then you add them all, it's 137. And then, of course, you're adding them all. See? Like, this ones is converted into similar fractions. Why? Because they have similar denominators now. And then you can all add the numerators, no? Because this one, you cannot add that. There are dissimilar fractions having different denominators. Okay, that's it. Of 13 na. Okay, picturean niya to para hindi na ako oh, yan, sige. Okay, all 2's here, no? Oh, not here. Okay, if you see 2 there, you divide it by 1. 1 and 3 and 5 can be brought down, but not 2. 2 should be taken there, no? Seeing me here. Okay. That's the rule, division method. Okay na po? Napicturean nyo na? Okay. Bakit ganun yung sagot? 1/7 over 20 na? Okay. 120 divided. Lalaro lang kayo. Hindi yung, okay. Andyan yung answer. Hindi nyo naman alam kung paano ginawa. Hindi maintindihan. Okay? Okay, let's do 14 na po. So tomorrow we'll review some of a lot of harmonic and then some of your everything na pala, everything na, but not arithmetic. Then we're good to go. Monday. Okay? Okay, sige. Okay, you are there, physically present. If you can